Have you ever wondered who the women were that came before you? The mothers, the grandmothers, the great-grandmothers whose lives quietly shaped your family long before you were born. Many of their stories have been forgotten. Their photographs remain tucked away in old albums, and their names lie hidden within historical records, waiting to be rediscovered. But what if those records could tell their story once again? Today, we're going to trace the maternal line of Martha Rose Ray, following four generations of women in New York State. Together, we'll discover the lives of her mother, Florence Beulah Davis, her grandmother, Harriette Greenman, and her great-grandmother, Rosetta Ann Maine. Along the way, you'll see historical photographs uncovered during this genealogical search and learn how original historical records connect one generation to the next. Stay with me until the end of this video, where I'll share a free genealogy guide to help you begin tracing your own family history. Because every family has a story, and every story deserves to be remembered. Introduction. Hello, I'm Dr. Guadalupe Vanderhorst Rodriguez, a professional genealogist with more than 40 years of experience researching family history. In this video, I'll show you how original historical records can be used to reconstruct one family's maternal ancestry. Beginning with Martha Rose Ray, we'll work backward through each generation, examining the records that identify her mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother. Rather than relying on assumptions or copied online family trees, we'll follow the historical evidence, using documents such as marriage records, death certificates, census records, military records, and other original sources to build an accurate maternal lineage. Let's begin with the first generation, Martha Rose Ray.